the games begin. Received more marching orders. All the things that we have to gather up for a successful camping trip. And the skies look like they're gonna open up at any moment. But first, just a little more coffee. Wait, what are you putting in there?
Sage smudge stick.
Are we going to witch camp? What are we? Hi.
Hi there.
Hi.
Hi.
We're the Ryberts.
Yeah.
And we're going camping.
We are.
Yeah, we packed a few things for 2 days. Because
You just never know. It could be the end of times and we need to be appropriately outfitted.
yes. And as you can see, Riglet is back there. We call her Riglet because she's not really big enough to be a rig.
She's our riglet.
Right.
She's too small.
But she is our
I mean, not too small. She's perfect for us.
our new camp with an umlaut tag with the, what are the A thing? Not an ampersand. At symbol.
What's the eight? Oh, at symbol. That's what it's called.
I came up with umlaut, and you came up with apsim.
I know umlaut. I also know tilde. I keep looking at the wrong place.
We're going to
All right, we're hitting the road now.
Spruce Row Campground.
Spruce
Ithaca.
Row Campground in Ithaca. I love Ithaca. Here we go. People say,
I know, this could be the theme song. There's a diner around is open. Oh my God!
just around the block.
They're going to take your lesbian card away from you
I can take you home.
because you know none of the words. Oh,
That's all they really want. I'm a select like you. Oh no. Oh no.
why?
Oh no.
Spruce Row
there.
Campground and RV park.
Here we are.
No fireworks.
Violators will be
executed. Evicted. Wrong word.
Yeah, that's very different.
Flying a kite? Or what is I don't remember it saying it was going to be windy. We're going to. This is going to be good. Watch this. You're going to blow over. I can't wait for you to fall. This is going to be great. You look like you're in the, what's that parade? The Dippity-Doo parade. What is it? You're a traffic cone in Europe. Going on a camping trip. You don't wanna slip. Get a grip and watch Cap's camping tips. When choosing a campsite, try not to be one where people live here because there's a tendency to mow one's lawn and run a daycare center while you're trying to enjoy nature. Camping note.
First decision of the day.
Yes.
Blue tablecloth
Yes.
or white?
White.
I'm proposing a toast.
Yes.
to our first solo trip in the Riglet
Yes, no help.
and to setting everything up in gale force winds.
It is a little breezy. And we didn't get divorced.
Not yet.
Okay, here's the best part of camping. After you drag all of your stuff out of your house, take it to a dirty place and set it up here, you get to fill everything with smoke. You should turn around and look at the sunset.
I am looking at the sunset.
What? That is the late... Are you seriously looking at it through your camp?
Look,
You can't...
I got it.
Oh my God. So we've gotten a lot of people that are very jealous about our thing. There's all these big, big, big RVs here, but they like our little Riglet. So we thought we would show you around. This is where, if we want a boondock, we have our propane and the battery. So we actually don't even need any kind of hookups if we want to. And then let's go inside. Here's the inside of the Riglet. So in here we have lighting, we have a fan, we have air conditioning, we have a TV, we have radio with surround sound with speakers outside and in, and we have these cute little lights for reading if we want, and fire just in case, and other lighting as well. One more. She can't get it. There it is. So you have even brighter lighting, plus cupboards and everything.
And we have the Stargazer window, which
This actually allows
we actually
you
have it.
to be able to see out in the...
That's a screen. We have it closed now because we're doing our campfire, so
It's
we
like
don't want
having
smoke to
a
get
moonroof.
in. Yes, it's lovely.
Yeah. It's very nice. All right, let's go back to the galley, shall we? So in the galley, we just put a little mod in with some LED lighting.
So cool.
Isn't that fun? Boop.
That's less fun.
I know. Sink with pump, water pump, microwave, stove, and our Yeti cooler. Very proud of. So when we're glamping, we like to have our coffee with us. It's very nice. And then we put this pop-up over the top of it. And these are called wing walls. They adhere with Velcro, and it helps keep down the wind while you're cooking. And a lady on Etsy,
I don't remember if she was on Etsy or not. She had a
she
website.
sells them.
She had a website.
I think she thought of them and she sells them. So we bought them.
Yeah.
So that's the
I
galley.
love the new lights.
This is called a clamshell because, well, that closes down and we're good to go. And this is our changing tent. So, because you can't stand up there. I don't know if you noticed.
No, you can't.
No. So that's the Riglet. Everybody's curious. Everybody wants a peek inside.
That's our little fire.
You have to buy us dinner first before you can peek inside. Would one call that glamping?
Do I look glam?
God, no. Our big Yeti. That was half the price of the trailer right there. Keeps everything super, super... Wait a minute. Wait.
What's wrong?
That's it.
Oh,
Don't
risk of child entrapment.
put the baby in the cooler.
How little would the baby have to be?
Look, my hand is half of the cooler. Well, you know why they have to put that there. Because it's happened.
Dummies. I love coffee. I love coffee. I love coffee. And I think I'll tell it so.
I love creamer. I love creamer. I love creamer. And there's not enough in here because I can taste the coffee.
someone torturing children?
I'm hoping if they are, they'll be dead by nightfall so we can sleep.
Do you think there's a bear somewhere attacking children?
I heard there was going to be something at the campground called Water Wars.
Are they drowning?
I'm hoping it'll take care of our problem. Are there grumpy old lady campgrounds? Because that's where we should be.
I think we need to find one of those.
Yes. Or start one.
Today, if possible.
Maybe we could start one. Get your free screamers. Free screamers for every campsite. Get a screamer. Please come get a screamer. We have many of them. How much do we want this breakfast burrito?
A lot.
At the farmer's market?
I've been waiting at this light for about 5 minutes.
There's been at least 5 or 6 changes in the light.
There are a lot of people in Ithaca on Saturday morning.
What is going on?
The farmer's market is very popular.
Well, what the?
And we didn't get up and at 'em.
No, we didn't.
We dilly-dallied. Now we're paying the price for dilly-dallying.
What is the price for Oh,
my
we
God.
missed it.
The turn light.
The turn light lasts 2
The
seconds.
turn light, which we haven't been able to see
Seriously.
until now.
2 cars went through.
Yeah, the turn light is...
Ithaca!
The turn light's very
What's
bad.
wrong with you?
I wonder if it's on purpose because they know there's no room for cars back
Someone's getting reminiscent because this is her stomping grounds in the
there.
college
Well, I'm
years.
sitting here. What else can I do but say that's where a cafe open was, and the Aldi's that wasn't here when I went to school here in the Pleistocene epoch, and that's all I got. And this, all I got at this intersection.
She got weepy when she saw the clock tower up at Cornell just a minute ago over the tree line.
I beg your pardon. I got wistful. I did not get weepy.
Okay. This lady wants to walk across with her guinea pig. No shit. Look at this. She's walking her guinea pig. Welcome to Ithaca.
I want to know what was happening the first 20 minutes we were waiting when the cars weren't moving at all. What was happening?
It's been 30 minutes.
I mean, when there's a backup, usually it's like, go a little, stop, go a little.
Dear Jesus, how long have we been in this line?
Gonna be
Oh, it's not going to be all right.
It's not gonna be all right.
We've been here 900 hours. You can't get in the place. You can't get out of the place.
This may be our last trip to the farmer's market.
It might be.
Someone better be dead up there. We finally got out.
Oh my God. And look, these are all people lined up waiting to go in. Wait, no. Don't go in. Don't go in. Don't go in there. Don't make the left turn. Go.
Turn around.
Just go away. There's nothing in there you want. You know, we could put an Alexa in there since we're glamping.
No.
Alexa, what's the weather today? Alexa, what's my horoscope? Alexa, tell me a campfire story.
What would be the difference between camping and home then?
I don't know. We would have to unplug her at night because she would scare everybody when she pops up and says, I don't understand what you mean.
Have a good day.
Cabrini.
Creeper.
In another edition of Glamping with the Ryberts, dinner is being cooked in a microwave tonight. It's difficult work, isn't it?
I had to press that button.
Yeah.
All by myself.
What?
And in a minute,
Yeah.
gonna take it out. Stir it.
Oh,
I'm gonna sit.
are you tired? Are you going to have time to sit? Oh, dear. This camping life is too hard.
In my defense, I did actually cook it at home.
Okay.
Throw another log on there. Party on the flag.
Party on the flag.
Flag on the flag. Flag on the flag.
Party on the flag, man. Party on the flag.
Party on the flag,
dude.
man.
They're coming this way.
Are you having a stroke?
What?
What's going on with you tonight?
I'm in nature.
You've got weird tongue
I
happenings.
don't know what to do with myself.
Weird tongue happenings.
I don't have any Facebook,
Oh,
so
no.
I have to do tongue puppets.
Good God, let's get some Wi-Fi up in here immediately.
Right? Yeet.